Hi everyone, this is Jason. Thanks for your watching. Today we will give you a quick look on our machines. This episode I will introduce the sand mill machine. Okay, let's go and have a look. Now let us see the sand mill we have. We have many different types. We have disc type and pin type. The disc type, you can see the rotator is disc. The pin type, the rotator is full with the pins. They are different on the material's target particle size. The disc type can handling the material to 15 or 5 micron. We have the FWE model and the FSP model. The pin type can achieve the 1 micron and even a nano size, like the FDCS model. If you need a very high performance, the grinding machine, we also has the lab type. You can do the testing by the machine. And the sand mill will need the grinding beads. We use the zirconia beads, which is stable and well used for materials. For inquiry sand mill, we need to know your products and we can give you the suggestion and promote. Okay, that's all. Today we introduced the two serials about the machine and brief quick look. So next time we will bring you the disperser and the mixer machine quick look. And if you don't forget to follow our channel, we are the paint and chemical machine. If you want to send an inquiry, you can see the below video. It shows you how to send the inquiry to us. Thank you, bye bye.